some of the pressure, and you'll see inside those are those lovely expensive solenoids. Now on the playa, I'm going to cover this with a sheet when we light it off, so we're not seeing the tanks. This would normally be 25 to 50 feet away. It's not dangerous, it's just you don't want it near the art.
Right.
So we're going to have a huge tub full of 5 of these, a couple more surge tanks, and then 25 feet to the center of the heart. And then split out from the heart out to each of these accumulators.
And Burning Man is providing you with those once you're down there, right?
So they're providing you with all of this, all of the accumulator tanks, all of the fuel. To do this project as well, there's a lot of trenching that needs to happen. So they're going to do all the trenching for us, all the support we need while we're down there. We're going to need forklifts, loaders, various different things. They're going to handle all that for us. And that's actually really important because crossing the border with fuel tanks.
Not the easiest thing in the world these days.
Probably not going to be the easiest thing. And I know I'm going to take you guys back downstairs, but I'm going to show you if you're interested.
You ready? Yep. Go. Oh shit, it's on fire!
Holy shit! What's going on? It's gonna be fine.
A little nervous?
We're going to warn you that those really nice solenoids we bought are a lot louder. It will make you guys a lot happier. And I know most of our families here have kids. You just might want to watch out for the new families around the electronics. So just to keep them away from the electronics, by all means, you can come up here and touch the sculpture, but just don't come behind the sculpture or touch the electronics down there or run between the wire. So that's just the only request for our new families. So for everyone else and all our volunteers who are making all of this happen, thank you so, so much. And I hope you enjoy the sonic boom we just kind of retrofitted it with. Because I don't think any of this would be possible without any of you. Any of you. And is our core group here, like the guys who sweated through the prototype? Can I get you guys, John, Max, Ian, can I get you guys to come up here for a second? Christine, George, all you guys who have been spending...
I think, yeah,
Yes.
we'll kind of figure it out.
Do we have Ted? We have Ian, Jeremy. Now we know a lot of you have been helping volunteer, and now that we're done the prototypes, we're going to be whole hog. So I hope you're not doing anything for the rest of the summer. So we're just missing Max, John. Do you guys want to come up here for a second and take a bow?
One, you go. You
Actually, not everybody knows each other yet. So Christine, you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi. I'm Ian. I'm on the plumbing team and I'm a fire artist.
Hi, I'm Alex. I'm on build. I hit metal with hammers. That's what I do.
I'm Seth. I'm doing the electronics. I'm Tiger. I'm working on plumbing, system design, helping out with sculpture, and potentially helping out with electronics as well.
Hi folks, I'm George, working with Nico on the design and fiberglass and sketches and drawings and the sculpture all together.
I'm Cayman. I'm one of the team leads from the sculpture team. Chief cat head. I'm the one who shouts at everybody when things aren't going on time. It's cranky. It stays up till 5 in the morning with everyone else. And yeah, I'm also on the plumbing team. Possibly the electronics.
You was there the whole time.
Didn't you hear it go flush?
I'm Nico. I'm just building stuff all the time. It's a good time.
I'm Priya. I'm also one of the leads for plumbing and flame effects. Chief
cat herder for that for that aspect, and it's what's going to make that fire shoot out of those arteries anytime now.
I'm Jeremy, and I just help out.
Always needed, Jeremy.
I'm PJ, and I do just what I'm Jeremy.
You too. I'm Ian, and I make stuff.
You make a lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff. Woo. Thank you very much, guys. We're just going to light up
Why do you do these things?
Yeah, sure.
For fun and explosions. It's not profit, that's for sure.
Or lack thereof.
Definitely the fire equivalent of